everyone, this is Jayashree from Techie Bears. First of all, we Techie Bears would like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to demonstrate the application. This is our HRMS application. The full form of HRMS is Human Resource Management System. This is a web application. This HRMS helps us to track the employees' attendance and mispunch details such as employees' login time and logout time. It also tracks employees' leave, including information such as type of leave taken and duration of the leave. It also stores basic information of the employee such as name, his contact details, bank details, educational information, and so on. This helps us to generate payrolls and appraisals according to the employee. So this application helps us to prevent from malpractices in attendance, leaves and accounts of their timings. Let's get into the application. So there are two types of login is there. This is for admin login and this is for employees login. So admin, the company manager, HR, team leads will be an admin. So they can register themselves by clicking on the link here. By clicking on this link, they have to fill all these details to get the login details. So their first name, let us assume the name of the admin as Praveena. Praveena Raja. And her email is praveena@gmail.com. So this email ID they can use their company's one or anything they can use. They can access their own password and they need to confirm the password. There is no criteria like alphabet should be there, numbers, everything should be there is not an criteria. You can give anything. Now submit button will makes us credentials. It gives us credentials. So registration successful has been given. Now we are giving our credentials, what we have created. And if we forgot the password, we can reset password using our mail ID. So this is our application. This is the employee details. First of all, in an IT company, there will be many employees will be working there. So first of all, the admin should add the employee's name. So he has to go to employee and add employee. Already we have given many employees name. You can add your employees as. Now for example I am adding Tarun. This is we are providing a login credentials for our company's employee. Employees cannot create their own credentials. Admin has to create it. And they need to give their login credentials to them to access this application. Submitting. Registration successful. Now we will get Tarun as an employee. Tarun Sai as an employee. So if we click on this, more information. Here first name, last name, personal email, everything will be there. That employee has to create. He will be giving all these details from his employee login. So here is employee login. So now we have created for Tarun. Now I am Now Tarun is accessing his credentials. This login is used to track the employee's login and logout. So if an employee wants to log into a company's time, so now the time is, so this toggle button is used to time in time out session. So here it is asking, do you want to start your session? You have to click yes. So after clicking yes, our timings will be started here. So if we log in late, here late marks will be given. If we apply any early leave here it will be calculated. If we work for overtime, here this hours will be calculated. Rewards will be as per the employee's performance, it will be calculated. So here statistics for a 1 year period of company's leaves. Privilege leaves, there will be 12 out of 12 leaves. Monthly he can take one day like that. Then sick leaves, 5 days he can take. This company of is, if he is working on any weekends, company will give him off like in the working days. So here we have logged at 7:02 p.m. So here the details will be listed out, and I have logged in at late time. So here it is mentioned as late. So if we are late, we can give comments as why we are late. Any reasons can be given. This can be given and we can submit. If the admin is accepting the request, means he will not consider as late. He will mark as he is working for 8 hours or 7 hours period like that. So late. So this success comment will be added successfully. Here the comment has been added. This is the dashboard of the employee. Here the attendance list of this employee. The attendance list consists of the attendance. Today only I am just giving demonstration of this. So the only one who have logged in is showing it. Then leaves. If we need to apply any leaves, we have to click on apply leave. It is asking for the duration, like a half day we need a leave, or full day, or above a day. So we have to select the date here when we want leave. So I want leave on 31st. I'm selecting it and I'm selecting the full day leave. Leave type options is giving sick leave or privilege leave or unpaid leave, what you want to have like that. So I am clicking as privilege leave. So reason for leave is emergency work, emergency issues. So submit. So the leave will be sent to the admin. Applied for leave successfully. So here it will show status as pending. The admin will check the status and he will approve the status once it is acceptable. The candidate's leave is acceptable means he will show the status as approved. Hence, or it is not acceptable means it will be denied. So attendance, leaves can be, then mispunch. The mispunch is the login logout time. If suppose an employee forgets to log out, the next day he is getting in again, so he can apply mispunch. So he has to admit the date, yesterday's date. Yesterday I was forgot to log out. So what is my time in and time out, it is asking. So my time in is 10 a.m. and my time out is 8:07 p.m. So comment why I did not do that means I have forgotten to log out. Forgotten to log out. So here that will be saved. Mispunch applied successfully. Yeah, now it is showing that forgotten to log out and the remark is pending. So this also, everything whatever we are proceeding here will be sent to the admin, will be noticed by the admin. Admin has to give approval of everything. So after getting approval, the employee will comes to know about it. Here then break log. Break log is nothing but during a day we are working. So if we are taking any coffee break or lunch break like that, if we move this toggle button, it will ask so this attendance details will show the late attendance and the mispunch one. Now let's check for some other employee. The employee name is Jayashree Nagaraj and his late marks is 2. So now I am clicking on this toggle button. So here it is asking for options where I want to take a break. Is that a lunch break or tea break or any other break, or if I want to session logout. So now I am taking a tea break and I have to click on S. So here it is showing us, are you going for a tea break? Yes. Break added successfully. So till we come back, we can't access anything. So here it will be shown as you are on break, login back. If we click on login, again we can access everything here. So now I am clicking on login. So logged in again successfully. Now if we check on break log, our break log will be seen. Today Thursday 7:13 I took a tea break. So remark. So whatever breaks we are taking, it will be shown here. Then projects. If an employee is working on any projects, for example here Sumit project, this employee is working on Sumit project and he would be assigned a task. This will be displayed here. The projects he is working on. So when we click on that project, it will be given a task list. So what are the tasks it has been assigned for her? Sumit, demo 2, demo 1, and assigned to what is the priority of the task. So whether the status of the task, due date of this task, everything will be mentioned here. So we can view over it. So if we view, so whatever task they are giving, so they can attach the task. If they are completed the task, they can attach it, they can copy the link over it, and they can give comments. So this is the projects one. Then basic details about the employee. So employee's name, contact number, blood group, everything he can edit. This employee can edit by using the edit option. So here he can add his mobile number, by giving the code. Can add his PAN number, Aadhaar number, their gender, their blood group, their date of birth. These things can be edited by the employee. Emergency contact name, relation, emergency contact number, everything has to be filled by the employee. And these office email, date of joining, reporting manager, these things will be filled by the admin, from the admin side. Then here holidays. So if there is any holidays, government holidays or any public private holidays, here it will be mentioned, so employee can check over it. Rewards will be given as per the employee's performance. So these are the things covered under employees application. Now we move on to the login application, admin login. So here if we check for the dashboard, we have to select the employee's name whom we want to check. Here I want to check Jayashree. So we can check his profile, then late marks offer, early leaves, overtime, rewards, privilege leaves, company of sick leaves, week off, all these things we can check here. Then projects maintained in the company. So here they have added 3 projects, so we can add projects here. Add project name, whatever projects in the company they can add over it. Then just a small project key, whatever it is, type of the project, either it's a web application or whatever it is, we can mention here. Project lead, so here I am giving a slash. So if they want to give any logo, they can give. Or just go for submit. Project description is required. Dental application. Submit. So project will be added successfully. It's a web app project and it was done JS and the team. So we can add teams here. Project name, the same we can add from the team title as dental. Submit. So team has been added successfully. So if we want to assign any task to them, we have to click over here. So here we need to add the members first. Team title is dental and the member name is, so we'll add Jayashree, and the role as trainee. Submit. So here it has been successfully added. Team name dental, Priya, training front end developer. Submit. Okay, so here we can see who are all team members have been added. Here we can create the task. Task title, application features.
Bookings. Mummy bookings.
So here we will be assigning the task title here, due date when they need to complete it, reporter whom they should report it, then assignee member whom we are assigning this work, the task type, whether it is a task or bug or epic, it's a task. So the priority of the task, they have to complete it in a high level priority or a low level priority or a normal one. So status is pending, still they did not complete it, so it is pending or in progress they can give. In progress. If we have any description regarding the task, we can submit here. So the task has been added successfully. So here application feature has been assigned to Priya. And it's a priority of normal. It is in progress. Then again we are creating a task to test. Due date as 28th. Employee name as Jayashree. Task type as bug. High priority. Report to submit. So it has been assigned. Then this is all about, so 4 projects is there. Assigned a task, now we have assigned 2 tasks. So completed is 0, pending is 6. So what are the things it is pending here? Remaining task is shown here. So here Praveena Raja, so their name has been mentioned in the task. So she is the admin here. She assigns the project task to the employees. So her name is mentioned by assignee. Here it is assigned as Praveena. So She is the admin here. Now attendance. So this attendance, if we, so whoever is present or absent will be seen here. Even we can check date wise, and the remark like if who are all absent, we can check absentees list, half day late list, early leave list, denied. Everything remark can be checked here, and even we can check employee wise. So employee, like week off is showing and absent is showing, so everything will be shown. If we want to see only the absent list, so this absent list will be seen. From start date and end date we can check. Then this is attendance list, so we need to check leaves. Those who have taken leaves can be seen here. So the status can be, the admin can select the status whether emergency issues, so we can approve for this, approve and submit it. So leave status will be updated. Now the mispunch details, those who have applied for mispunch will be seen here. This refresh button is used to, if anything is not received, if we check on refresh button we can see that. So Tarun Sai has applied for mispunch, so the status has been in pending. He has given comment as forgotten to log out. So if the reason is valid, we can approve status. This is not acceptable means we can deny and submit it. So the mispunch applied by the employee is denied. Then break logs. Now we can see employee details. So whoever employees are working in the company, we can see here employee list, then basic details of theirs. So if we select any employees, we can check theirs basic details. Their contact number is there, PAN number is here, Aadhaar number is here, and office email address is here. If we want to edit, we can edit. So here we can add the date of joining, reporting manager, check-in time, check-out time, the department, designation, probation period, notice period, everything we can edit and update it. Then here address details. So these address details will be filled by the employee. Address, education details, experience details, and the bank details, everything will be filled by the employee. These things admin can't edit anything. These details cannot be edited by the admin. The family details, these all things will be done by the employee from his login side. Then documents. employee's document. So if employee has added any documents from his side like Aadhaar card, PAN card or any other documents, his experience letter, anything has been added here, means it will be displayed. It will be seen here. Now the employee Jayashree has added PAN, Aadhaar and other document has been added here. If we click on view, the document will be downloaded to your laptop, to your system. Then joining letters. Admin will be create a joining letter. So employee IDs has been given and created on the date will be. So the joining letters have been created for 3 employees. The admin can create a joining letter using this button. He can attach the joining letter here, and if you click on submit, the joining letter will be added here. Then holidays. So admin has he or she can add holidays by noting it on the public or private holidays. For example, November 14 is Diwali. If we add here and if we click on submit, so it will be added. So if we Diwali, I have clicked several times, so it has been added as thrice. So Diwali has been added here. Then admin can log out using this logout button. So if we check on the attendance list which has been leaves and mispunches, no leaves, mispunch, break clock, nothing is there. So task